Dear friends, in class 7 we are studying 5th chapter lines and angle, and in exercise 5.1 we have the first question: find the complement of each of the following angles. So first angle is given to us as 20 degree. We know that sum of the measures of, if the sum of measures of two angles is 90 degree, then we call those angles as complementary angles. So here if one of the angle is 20, means other angle must be 20 plus angle, whatever is the other angle x must be equal to 90 degree. This is what we have studied. That is, sum of complementary angles is always 90 degrees. Now here one angle is 20 degrees, so the complement of this will be, complement of 20 degrees is, complement of 20 degrees is equal to 90 minus 20, that is equal to 70 degrees. Similarly, if you want to find the complement of 63 degrees, then complement of 63 is, complement of 63 degrees is equal to 90 minus 63. So 90 minus 63 is 27 degrees. Third is complement of 57 degrees. So complement of 57 degrees is, complement of 57 degrees is equal to 90 minus 57, that is equal to 33 degrees. Dear friends, we have second question: find the supplement of each of the following angles. Out of that, first is 105 degrees, second is 87 degrees, and third is 154 degrees. Now we have already studied, when the measure of two angles, when the sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degrees, we call those angles as supplementary angles. It means two angles, that is angle A plus angle B, must be equal to 180 degrees. Out of this, one angle is given to us 105 degrees, will be 185 degrees plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. It means angle B is equal to 180 minus 105 degrees. So this is equal to 80 minus 5 is 75 degrees. So angle B is 75 degrees. That is supplement of 105 degrees is equal to 75 degrees. That is 180 minus 105, that is equal to 75 degrees. Similarly, we can find the supplement of the other angles. Supplement of 87 degrees is equal to 180 minus 87. So this is equal to 3. 9 minus 9 is 18 minus 9 is 93. So 93 degrees. And supplement of third is 154 degrees is equal to 180 minus 154, that is equal to 626 degrees. Dear friends, we have third question: identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. We have already studied, when the sum of measures of two angles is 90 degrees, we call them complementary angles, and when the sum of their measures is 180 degrees, we call them supplementary angles. So here let us check whether their sum is 180 degrees or 90 degrees. So here 65 plus 115 is equal to 5 plus 5 is 10, one carries. So 6 plus 2 is 8 and 1. So here sum of two angles is 180 degrees, therefore 65 and 115 are supplementary angles. Then let us check the second. 63 plus 27. Here 7 plus 3 is 10, one carries. 6 plus 2 plus 1 carry is 9. So here sum of the two angles is 90 degrees, therefore they are complementary angles. It means 63 and 27 are complementary angles. Then 112 and 68, let us do their addition. 112 plus 68. Here you will get 8 plus 2 10, 1 carries, 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 carry 8 and 1 from hundreds place. So addition is 180 degrees. It means angles are supplementary angles. So 112 and 68 are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Next is 130 and 50. Let us do their addition. If the addition is 180 degrees, we call them supplementary angles. So here 130 plus 50 is equal to 180 degrees. 5 plus 3 is 8 and 1 from hundreds place. So it means 130 and 50 are supplementary angles. Are supplementary angles. Next question is 45 and 45. Let us check. I do their addition. 45 plus 45 is equal to 90 degrees. So sum of two angles is 90 degrees. It means these angles are complementary angles. So 45 and 45 are complementary angles. Complementary angles. The next is 80 plus 10. That is also again 90 degrees. It means 80 and 10 are complementary angles. Are complementary angles. Dear friends, next question, fourth question is find the angle which is equal to its complement. We have already studied sum of complementary angles is 90 degrees. So we know that angle A plus angle B is equal to 90 degrees. If they are complementary, then their addition must be 90 degrees. But we are given find the angle which is equal to its complement. We are also given that angle A is equal to angle B. Both angles are equal. So here, if angle A is equal to angle B, I can change this angle B by angle A. So I will get angle A plus angle A is equal to 90 degrees. It means true angle A is equal to 90 degrees. It means angle A is equal to, divide both sides by 2, you will get, divide both sides by 2, you will get twice angle A upon 2 is equal to 90 upon 2. It means angle A is equal to 45 degrees. It also means that angle B is 45 plus angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, angle B is equal to 90 minus 45. Again, it comes to be 45 degrees. So, please note here both the angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle B. So, here we can say that 45 is equal to its complement. 45 degrees is equal to its complement. Its complement. Dear friends, next is fifth question. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Now we have already studied when the sum of measures of two angles is 180 degrees, we call the angles as supplementary angles. So here angle X plus angle Y must be equal to 180 degrees. Then we can call them as supplementary angles. But here we are given angle which is equal to its supplement. It means angle X is equal to angle Y. This is given to us. So if you replace angle Y by angle X, we will get angle X plus angle X is equal to 180 degrees. It means twice angle X is equal to 180 degrees. Divide both sides by 2. Both sides by 2. You will get twice angle X upon 2 is equal to 180 upon 2. So these two cut with this, you will get 180 divided by 2 is equal to 90 degrees. It means angle X is equal to 90 degrees. We have already written angle X is equal to angle Y. It means angle Y is also equal to 90 degrees. Please note, we were asked angles which is equal to its supplement. So X is equal to its supplement. Please note both angles are 90 degrees. So we can say that angle equal to its supplement. 90 degree is equal to its supplement.